Hi everyone, I hope my voice is clear and you guys can hear me. Uh, Please let me know if you can hear me so that we can start with the today's meeting. All right. Hi everyone, I hope my voice. Okay. Okay, so I can see everyone can hear me. Those people who are not hear me properly, they can do one thing. They can just rejoin again. Okay, that's the way we can do. So let me start from the beginning again. This is not our first class. We have already discussed the same thing yesterday also. Not yesterday, means last time we connected and we discussed about the SQL and Linux. So in the last lecture we discussed about what is the importance of um SQL and Linux. So today's lecture is the continue of your free SQL and Linux. So before I go ahead and talk about the other things, again I want to repeat one more thing that my name is Ankush Chowdi. I have 10 plus years of experience as a Oracle DBA in the big data technologies and cloud technologies. So in my 10 years of experience, I work with the multiple companies like including your Cognizant, Infosys, Wipro, LTI, and some other small based companies also. And I am the founder of Learnomate Technologies, and this is the initiative from the Learnomate Technologies only, where we are sharing our knowledge to the people who want to kickstart their journey as a Oracle DBA or maybe into the IT industry. So our main agenda is that like those people who are coming from the non-technical background, especially the people who are coming from BA, BCom, BSc, maybe you are coming from the BPO, maybe you have a gap in your career. So everyone should be able to understand about like how IT industry works, how is the culture of IT industry, and there are multiple people are there in our class, especially in our paid class. Like we have seen that the people are successfully able to start their career into the IT industry. So if you think that you have anything related to the, like you are not coming from the technical background, but you want to start your journey as a into the IT industry, don't worry about that. We have a lot of examples are there. Thousands of people got selected from our training, and now these people are working as a into the IT industry. So irrespective of any degree, irrespective of you passed out from any college, not a problem, because IT is all about like especially they want the people who can work, who can understand the technologies. Okay, so anyone can start their career as into the IT industry. Now coming to the actual fundamentals, like whenever you want to start your career into the IT industry, there are multiple technologies are available where you can start the things. But what is my agenda is that like there are particularly two things are there. One is a programming skill set, and another is your kind of non-programming skill set. Now let's say you have completed your engineering and you are coming from the IT background, or you are coming from the computer background. You can understand the programming like Java, C++, Angular JS is there, .NET is there, multiple technologies are there. But especially those people who are coming from non-technical background, so those people cannot obviously understand this programming skill set. So how can we how can we ask people to enter into the IT industry, those people who don't know about the programming? So for that we have started our free SQL and Linux training. So SQL and Linux is the area through which where you, by learning this technology, you can easily kickstart your journey into the IT industry. Along with the SQL and Linux, there are other technologies also you can learn, and that will really boost your knowledge as well as your confidence whenever you are thinking that okay, it's time to start the things. In the last lecture, I have discussed about what is the importance of SQL, what is the importance of Linux. If you guys have not seen that video, we have uploaded that videos on our YouTube channel, so you can visit our YouTube channel and you can see that video. One more thing is, by any chance, if you have not joined our WhatsApp group, please join our WhatsApp group. There we used to send lot of jobs related updates wherever we see vacancies, so we are sending it over there. You can also join our Telegram group and WhatsApp group, because WhatsApp group is having some limitations. So those people who are not able to join our WhatsApp group, they can join our Telegram group also. That is also fine. But make sure that you are in touch with me, so that whenever we see any job vacancies, whenever we see any companies hiring there, we can definitely share your resume. Now if you want to know more about our YouTube channel, we have a YouTube channel with the name Learnomate Technologies, and you can go there and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let me share my screen. Okay, all right. So if you want to know more about your YouTube channel, like, you can go here and you can just take this path. If you go here, this is our YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, this is our YouTube channel. Here you can see that we have more than 17,000 plus followers available on our YouTube channel, and multiple videos are available. Okay, so you can try to understand how it works and everything. Again, it is free of cost. We are not charging anything. This is just a free platform provided by us, so you can utilize this. Okay, and if you want to know more about us, like, you can visit our website. This is our official website, learnomate.org. You can also visit our website, where you can see a lot of contents are also available. This will also help you to understand about the multiple things. Okay, now we are going to, I have just pinged in the chat option, so you can utilize that. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's only for you only. We are not charging anything for that. Okay, now let's come back to the our actual topic. Okay, so let's try to understand about the Linux first. Okay, so yesterday I have discussed, in the last lecture I have discussed about what is the importance of SQL and Linux. So first of all, we are going to start with the Linux. Okay, first of all we are going to start with the Linux, and once we are comfortable with the Linux, then we will start with the other technologies. Okay, so first of all we are going to start with the Linux only. Okay, that's the things. So what is Linux? Okay, what is Linux? Linux is a operating system. What is this? This is a operating system. Now we have other operating systems are there, right? What is this Linux? Linux is a operating system. Like, if you take the example of Windows, like, if you ask me like what operating system I am using right now, so I am right now using this Windows 11 machine, right? This is my Windows 11 machine which I am using right now. So if I go here, this is my Windows 11 machine which I have installed right now. On the top of this Windows 11 machine, what we have available, how many softwares are available? We have a Zoom software is available, we have a Chrome software is available, we have Microsoft Office software is available, right? But in real-time production environment, you are not going to use the Windows operating system. In real-time production environment, this Windows 11 will be replaced by the Linux operating system. So Linux is also one operating system, and on the top of this Linux operating system, you are going to install your softwares. Like, you can install Oracle software, you can install Apache software, you can install any other software. Just take an example, you can install MySQL software, you can install PostgreSQL software, you can install any operating system, you can install multiple different softwares. But in order to install any software, what we need operating system. So the way we use Windows, same way we can use Linux operating system also, but there is a small difference. Now when you are talking about the Windows operating system, this is basically GUI based operating system. How is it working? GUI, graphical user interface. But when you deal with the Linux operating system, when you want to deal with the Linux operating system, you need to use command line interface. What you need to do? You need to use command line interface. Command line interface means you need to use the command to understand about the Linux operating system. So whatever you were doing on Windows 11, same thing you are doing it on Linux. Like let's say you want to create a folder, delete a folder, same thing you are going to do here. Let's say you want to create a folder, delete a folder, you can do it on Linux also. But it is not the way you are doing it on Windows. Like normally on Windows, if you want to create a folder, you will go here, you will do right click and you are going to create a folder. But in Linux, it will not be like that. Now, whenever you are talking about any operating system or any software, there will be a question in your mind that how we can do the practice of this Linux operating system. How you can do the practice of Linux operating system, right? That will be a question in your mind. So I am going to show you in today's lecture. I am going to show you how to install Linux operating system. In today's lecture, I am going to show you how to install Linux operating system. So if you guys have laptop along with you, you can also do with me. I am ready to wait. So that's the way we are going to do a practice. So as I'm saying that if you have a laptop, take a minute, try to open the laptop. Whatever things I'm going to tell, you can follow me and you can also install the Linux operating system. So we already know that how to install Windows. Now today we are going to install Linux operating system. Because if you have a Linux operating system in your personal laptop, okay, if you have Linux operating system in your personal laptop, what will happen? If you have a Linux operating system in your personal laptop, you can do a practice. What you can do? You can do a practice. Okay, you can do a practice. Now let's try to understand about how you can start with the installation. Okay, so what we need for the Linux installation? Again, let me come back. Whenever we discuss about the Linux is also coming with the multiple flavors. Like we have Windows is there, right? In Windows also we have a multiple flavors are there. Like Windows Vista is there, Windows 7 is obviously there, Express edition is there. Like this we have multiple flavors are there. In Linux also we have multiple flavors are there. Like there is one Linux operating system is there, we called it as a Red Hat Linux. So Linux is also created by the Red Hat company. So they have a Red Hat Linux. There is a one more flavor is there, CentOS is there, CentOS. We have Fedora is there. We have Oracle Enterprise Linux is there. We have Oracle Enterprise Linux is there. We have Ubuntu is there. Likewise, whenever you say that I'm going to install Linux, you need to ask that which Linux. So whether you are talking about the Red Hat Linux, whether you are talking about the CentOS Linux, Fedora is there, Oracle Linux is there, Ubuntu is there, multiple flavors are there. Whenever somebody is asking that, okay, I'm going to use Linux operating system, but which Linux operating system? Because there are multiple Linux operating systems are there. You may have heard about the Kali Linux also, especially used by the hackers and all. They use this Kali Linux. Okay, so we have multiple. What I mean to say, we have a multiple flavor of Linux operating systems are there. Among them, you can use anything. Like let's say if you are thinking that for Red Hat, do we have separate commands are there? Do we have Oracle for a separate commands? Ubuntu not like that. If you know how to handle one operating system, you can easily handle other operating system also. Let me repeat it one more time. If you know how to use Red Hat Linux, you can also use Ubuntu operating system, Oracle Linux, Fedora, whatever it is. So one operating system you should understand. Now for your practice purpose, I'm going to take Ubuntu operating system. What you are going to do? Ubuntu operating system we are going to install. Ubuntu. This is also one of the flavor of Linux operating system. Why Ubuntu? Why not other? You can use other operating system also. Not a problem. Now today in today's lecture, we are going to install Ubuntu. So the architecture will be looks like this. We are going to install this Ubuntu operating system, and on the top of this Ubuntu operating system, we are going to perform our Linux command. We are going to learn about the Linux command only, but where? On the top of Ubuntu. On the top of Ubuntu, we are going to learn about the Linux command. That's the point we need to see. So are you able to understand, guys, whatever we have discussed till now? Can you please use the chat option so that I'll understand that? Great. Okay, so I see everyone is saying yes, yes, yes. Okay, nice. Okay, so we were discussing about the Linux, and among that we are going to install Ubuntu operating system. That's the plan. Now coming to the next part. Now there will be a question in your mind that, sir, we are already using the Windows 11 machine. So do we need to uninstall this Windows 11 machine and then we need to install Ubuntu operating system? Because two machines I cannot run at a time. Like if I'm using Windows 11 machine, I cannot use Windows 10 or I cannot use Windows 7. Either it will be Windows 11 or it will be Ubuntu, correct? So to overcome this problem, there are two softwares are there which will help you to create multiple operating system, and that technique we called it as a virtualization. Like there is one tool is there, we called it as a Oracle virtual box. You can use this tool or you can use this utility to run multiple operating system at a time. Which tool you can use? Oracle virtual box. Or you can use one more tool is there, we called it as a VMware workstation. You can use any one software through which you can run your multiple operating system. Now what is meant by multiple operating system? See, when I'm talking about the practice and all, like let's say I want to do practice, so I will open Ubuntu. But do you think that every time I'm going to do a practice? No. After the practice I want to see the movie also. So when I want to see the movie, I want to use Windows 11 machine. What I want to do, i want to use Windows 11 machine to watch the movie, correct? So basically I need Ubuntu plus Windows operating system, both should be run at a time, and that is possible with the help of Oracle VirtualBox or VMware Workstation. I'll tell you one real-time example of it. If you see my screen now, this is my Windows 11 machine. So I'm running my Windows, like I can go to my computer, I can watch movie, I can do anything, right? I can do everything over here. I can see everything. But I can also use my Linux operating system. How it is possible? By using that software, we called it as a Oracle VirtualBox. By using which software? Oracle VirtualBox. So first step is we need to download Oracle VirtualBox. This is also a product of Oracle company only, but it is free of cost. We need to download Oracle VirtualBox, then we need to install VirtualBox. This Oracle VirtualBox we need to install. Once the installation get completed of the VirtualBox, then I am going to download Ubuntu also. What I'm going to do, I'm going to download Ubuntu. These are the three steps we need to perform today. So first, if we are going to see download Oracle VirtualBox. So how to download it? First of all, go to our Google. You can use any Chrome or any software. You can use Google Chrome. Just go here and search with download Oracle VirtualBox. Just go here and search it with download Oracle VirtualBox. Click on the first link, download Oracle VirtualBox. Now it will ask you like for which operating system you want to download this VirtualBox, where you are going to install this Oracle VirtualBox. I am going to install it for Windows. So click on the in Windows and it will start downloading over here. I am just canceling this download, that because it's already installed in my personal laptop, because it is already installed in my personal laptop. So what I did, I just search here with the help of download VirtualBox, download Oracle VirtualBox. I got the first link, and since I'm using my Windows 11 machine, because I'm not using Mac, I'm using Windows 11 machine, so I will click on the Windows host. Where I will click, I'll click on the Windows host. Those people from this today's meeting, or whenever you are listening this video, if you are using Mac operating system, you can click on the Mac and you can install this software like a normal software. The way we install a normal software, same way you need to install that. How you need to install? The way I'm going to install this software, same way you are going to install that. It's pretty much simple, nothing to worry about that. Okay, it's pretty much simple only. Now let's come back and try to understand the next part. Okay, whatever we have discussed till now, are you able to understand, guys? Can you please use the chat option and say? Okay, nice, fine, all right. So I see everyone is saying yes, yes, yes. Askar is saying yes, Reese is saying yes, Uchul is saying yes, fine, all right. Okay, thank you so much for your response. Okay, so what I'm trying to do, I'm going to install this first software. We called it as a Oracle VirtualBox. Which software we are going to install? Download Oracle VirtualBox. This is the first software we need to download and install. Okay, now in my laptop the VirtualBox is already installed. If you don't know, like, it's very simple, just download it, like, and double click on it, say next, 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 and it will be installed. So how this VirtualBox will looks like this? Go to the start and search here with the Oracle VM VirtualBox. This is the software I'm talking about. So I'll just go here and download this Oracle VM VirtualBox. After the installation of this software, this window will come like this. The window will come like this after the installation. So those people who are doing along with me, please do it and let me know once it is done. Okay, please message as done once you are done with this. So my request to everyone is that whenever we connect to the class like this, whenever we are connecting to the class like this, please, whenever you want to do and along with me, follow with me, please be ready with the laptop and search it, so that you can also follow me. First of all, you need to download this one. I'll just paste the location URL in our chat box and just mention me done. Once it is done, please mention it as done, so that I will understand that it's done from your side. Just install the software called Oracle VirtualBox and let me know once it is done. Just take a 2 minutes and let me know once it is done. Okay, so that's nice. So I can see here that you people have already installed this Oracle VM VirtualBox. Okay, now, so then next part, if you guys get some issues related to the by any chance C++, so you can open a, you can just go here and search here with Oracle. You can just go here and search here like download. So that's nice. So I can see here. Now what I'm trying to do, just go to the new. See, some people may be getting error message related to the C++. What is that? Microsoft C++, something like this, 2019 visual, something like this. Something like this. Okay, if you get such a type of error message by any chance, okay, if you get such a type of error message, you can go to this official website. Okay, whenever you are downloading or installing by any chance, if you get the error message like latest support Visual C++ is required, go to this official website. Okay, and you can install, you can download and install this. First of all, you need to download and install this software. See, some of the laptop is asking to install C++ before you installation, before the installation of VirtualBox. Some of the laptop, not every laptop. Those people who are getting error message related to the C++, you need to go to this website. I have pasted the link also in the chat option. You can go here and you can just download your this 64-bit one, this one. You can just click on it. It will be starting downloading here. Just double click on it, say next, and it will be done. And then you can then restart the laptop and try to install Oracle VirtualBox. Then restart the laptop and try to install Oracle VirtualBox. Okay, this is not for everyone, only if you get the error message. Okay, now this is a Oracle VirtualBox. After the installation successfully, this will be your Oracle VirtualBox. So here you can see on my left hand side, there are multiple machines are there. You can see there is a Ubuntu machine, I have Linux machine, I have Oracle DBA related machines are there. So you can run multiple machines at a time. Like I can run my Windows 11 machine, like I can use my Windows 11 machine, or I can use my this I can also use my this Linux operating system also. Now, so first part is completed, download Oracle VirtualBox. This is completed. We have also installed the VirtualBox. We have also installed the Oracle VirtualBox. These two part has been completed. Now the next part is download Ubuntu. What I need to do? I need to download the Ubuntu. So how to download Ubuntu? Go to the new here and search here with the download Ubuntu. Go here and search here with the download Ubuntu. If you just search on the Google download Ubuntu, you will see one link like download Ubuntu desktop. This one you will get. Click here and go to the Ubuntu website. As I have said earlier, we have multiple flavors are available of the Linux operating system. So among them, I'm going to use Ubuntu operating system. So go to this URL, scroll it down, and on your right hand side you can see there is a download button is there. On your right hand side there is a download button is there. Click on the download button and you can see here that it will start downloading automatically. I am just cancelling this download again. Why? Because it's already downloaded in my laptop. It's already downloaded in my laptop. So I'm going to share this link with you all again. So this is the link through which you can download the Ubuntu. Again, what I did, let me repeat it one more time. Go to the Google and search here with the download Ubuntu. Go here and search here with the download Ubuntu. So you'll get an option like download Ubuntu desktop. Click there and there is an option called download 22.0. This is the version of Ubuntu. Click here and it will start downloading the ISO file. Now this file is quite big one, around 2 to 3 GB. So it is going to take maybe 5-10 minutes depending upon your laptop speed or depending upon your Wi-Fi speed. So if your Wi-Fi is very good, it will be downloaded within 2 to 3 minutes. If it is not good, it will take a time. So but what I need this ISO file to be available. Once you downloaded this ISO file, you can keep that ISO file from downloads. By default it will be downloaded here by default in download folder it will be available. So you can copy that ISO file from here and you can place it to the good location. So I have created one folder with the name Ubuntu ISO. Here I place that ISO file. First of all, you need to download the Ubuntu ISO file, that is called ISO file. You need to download ISO file and you can keep that ISO file in some safe folder so that you can use it multiple times. Once it is done, let me know. You guys, are you able to understand whatever I'm discussing? Can you please come again? Can you please use the chat option? Say yes if you are able to understand. Great. Great. All right. So I can see everyone is able to understand. Okay. So what I said, first thing is you need to download Ubuntu. Then I am going to install this Ubuntu very soon. We have installed one software. The first software that we installed, that is called Oracle VirtualBox. This is the first software that we have installed. Second software we have downloaded is Ubuntu ISO file, and we place that into some safe location. We have placed that into this safe location. So it will definitely take a time because it's a big software. So it will take some time. Okay. So don't worry. Okay. It will take a time. So today what you can do, after this class you can start downloading it. Okay, after the class you can start downloading it, and in tomorrow's lecture I will show you how it needs to be done. Okay, in tomorrow's lecture I'll show you how it needs to be done. Okay. Okay, now I am assuming that everyone has done the installation. Okay, or downloading is completed. If you still not downloaded, that's okay. Okay, you can do it later on also, not a problem. So what I will do, we will do one thing. We will go with the installation by tomorrow, not today, so that you people will be ready with the ISO file. Again I'm repeating, the ISO file should be looks like this. The name should be like Ubuntu, like this. Okay, the name can be little bit changed because I'm using older version, but you do one thing, right? First of all, download this Ubuntu. Make sure the Ubuntu is available with you so that you can follow me by tomorrow. So installation part we will take it tomorrow. Okay, installation part we will take it tomorrow, but be ready with these things. What you need to do, you need to download Oracle VirtualBox, install the Oracle VirtualBox, and download the Ubuntu. These three things needs to be done before you come to the tomorrow's lecture. Okay, one more request is, like, those people who want to understand SQL and Linux completely free of cost, maybe your friends, colleague, husband, wife, whoever it is, you can ask them to, connect with us on the same time. Again, it is free of cost. No need to pay anything for this training. It's completely free of cost. Only the thing is, what you need to do as a favor to us, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, you can just visit to our YouTube channel and you can see here that there are multiple videos are available, okay, related to the SQL and Linux also. So you can just go here, join our WhatsApp group. Okay, and that's it. Share with everyone. Okay, you can also put the WhatsApp status so that most of the people will get to know that, okay, we are also starting the free SQL and Linux card. Okay, so don't worry, it will be a practical based. You just need to come up with the laptop, and whatever doubts you have, those people who are coming from the Pune location, you can visit our office also. There also we will clarify your doubts. Okay, but utilize this time. Again, it is as I'm saying that such type of opportunities will not come again and again, so utilize this time. Okay, so be ready with these three things. Okay, and WSL is also fine, but what I am suggesting that you try to follow me, because if I'm giving you any assignment, so that should not be little different. The way I'm doing, same way you need to follow, so that everyone will be available on the same page. So if you guys get any different issues, then it will be difficult to understand. So for this training, follow me, and once it is done, like, you can use any operating system, any flavor of maybe Kali, whatever you wish. You can use WSL, whatever you wish, you can use that. Okay, but for this training purpose, just follow me, follow my instruction, whatever I'm going to tell you. Rest of the things are fine only. Okay, so I hope you people are able to understand. Okay, if you have any questions, queries, anything, let me know, we can discuss about that. Okay, so till now whatever we have discussed, guys, I hope you are finding it helpful, and you people are able to understand that. Okay, can you please use the chat option and say whether you are able to understand? Say yes. Yes, great. Great. Okay, everyone is saying yes, 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 yes. Great. Fine. So please be ready with the laptop by tomorrow. Please be ready with this Oracle VirtualBox and these three things. Okay. Come up with the laptop. Come up with the laptop. Okay. And again, this will not be a recorded session. This, you will not get any recording of this. So please try to join live only. Okay. It will not be available on the recordings. Usually like, people are paying so much of money to understand about this SQL and Linux, but again, utilize this completely free of cost, so that maximum people will be able to start their career into the IT industry. So please try to utilize that. Okay, and one more thing is like, uh, we have websites is available. If you go to our website, this is our official website, learnomate.org. so if you want to know more about Learnomate technology, you can visit this website. You can also visit our YouTube channel. Again, I'm saying, like, please utilize that. This is seriously completely free of cost. You can see here that I have uploaded 980 videos till now here. Okay, all these videos are helpful for you only. We have taken the mock interviews of multiple people, especially related to the SQL, Linux, and many other things. Okay, you can see here there is a SQL Linux related questions are there. We have many things are available. If you go to the playlist, you can see there are multiple playlists are available related to the databases, related to the SQL, related to the Linux, related to the big data. Many things are there. Okay, so please try to utilize that. Again, it will be live class only. Okay, so please be ready by 6 o'clock. We are spending a lot of time for you people, only to make sure that you people understand the things clearly. Okay, so this is the best time. Usually we get a lot of monies through this, but we are giving it free of cost at this time. So please do that. Okay. Okay, guys, yeah, thank you so much for your things. Okay, so let's connect tomorrow, and we will discuss about the in tomorrow's lecture. Okay, thank you, bye bye. So please be ready with these setups and all. Okay, I'll show you how to install it, but you need to be ready with the things at least. Okay, bye bye. See you again with the tomorrow's lecture. Okay, bye bye.